everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create a WhatsApp chatbot which can automate your WhatsApp conversation. Here we are going to go for a quick demonstration, and as soon as we receive the WhatsApp replies, which means the WhatsApp conversation has been automated, you can see that I'm going to show you how you can also create that chatbot for your own business. So I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I'm going to send a message. So here I'm going to send this message, what is included in your muscle gain monthly plan and what is the price. Now here I'm running a nutrition brand, and if I receive the reply for the same question, then this is going to show us the AI agent or a WhatsApp chatbot which I have created is working fine. Here I've received this reply, our muscle gain plan is designed for this and balanced macrons. You can also add an optional whey add-on. Then the price is this much, so 7,499. If you share your age, height, weight and veg non-veg preference, I can suggest the best calorie target for you. So here this is the message which I have received. Now I'm going to drop another question. So here let's suppose I'm going to ask a subscription related question this time. So I've sent this question, can I pause my subscription and what is your renewable policy? Let's wait for the reply here. I have received this reply, yes, you can pause your subscription. You allow a pause option for 1 to 3 days per month. Then we have this renewal policy. Tell me which plan you are on and I'll help you schedule the pause and renewal smoothly. So I'm going to drop a final question here. I'm a 28-year-old, 78 kg, 5'6" tall and want to lose weight. Which meal plan should I choose? I have sent this question. Let's wait for the reply. So you see that I have sent 3 different questions. One related to muscle gain, another related to subscription and another related to plan. So which meal should I prefer? Something like this. And it has replied to me. It has sent me the reply for the exact same query which I'm sending. Your best fit would be our weight loss plan. BMI calculation recommended plan. To personalize it, tell me these details. So this is how my AI agent is going to work. And now if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot and automate your WhatsApp conversation for your business, let's start creating this from the scratch. So here in this video, we are going to start creating this WhatsApp chatbot. First, we have to visit Pabbly Chatflow. To visit Pabbly Chatflow, we have to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser. And after browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, we can see 2 options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in. And if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free. And this will give you 100 credits free on monthly basis. You can use these 100 credits and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features that to forever. Here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page has appeared in front of me where I have to select this Pabbly Chatflow access now, and I will be landed towards the Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard. Over here you can see the credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining and the WhatsApp number added. To add your WhatsApp to your Pabbly Chatflow account, you simply have to click on this add WhatsApp number, click on this WhatsApp connect to connect your WhatsApp to your Pabbly Chatflow account, or you can use a manual token to connect your WhatsApp to your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to get the step-by-step process, the detailed video is available in the description. You can check that out. Also on the left hand side, we have very most important features of Pabbly Chatflow. The detailed video is available in the description. You can check that out. Now to create this AI agent over here, I have this option of AI assistant. Let's open this. Here I've landed towards this AI assistant page. You can see the total AI assistant, active AI assistant and an inactive AI assistant. To create a new AI assistant, you simply have to click on this add AI assistant and first name this as chatbot agent for nutrition brand, and then simply click on this add AI assistant. After adding this, we are on this page from where we are going to start creating this AI agent. First, on the top, you can see all these 4 options. We will be adding all the details in here to create this WhatsApp chatbot first. We have this AI instructions, so we have to select the instruction type as AI agent. According to your requirement, you can select the instruction type and enter it over here. As soon as I've selected the instruction type, the instructions are automatically added. You can enhance these instructions according to your requirement again. Then we have this AI configuration. So the first one under this AI configuration is temperature. So set how the creative AI answers are. 0 means more focused, 1 means more creative. If I go from 0 to 1, the creativity of how this AI is answering will enhance enhance. I'm going to keep it as 0.7. The AI to use will be OpenAI. The model will be GPT-5 mini. You can select this model according to your preference, and then we have to enter this API key. Now I am on the paid account of OpenAI, and it is necessary that you also have the paid account, and after having that account you can generate this key. I have already generated this key. I'm going to click on this connect. Now if you want to generate the key, in the help desk a hyperlink is provided to me. I'm going to open this and I will be landed towards this page of API keys page. To create a new token, you simply have to click on this create new secret key. First you have to provide the key name. Let's say the key is test. The project will be default project, the permissions will be all, and then you simply have to click on this create secret key. A new API token will be provided to you, which you need to copy and paste that over here. Now then we have this AI assistant setting. You can provide the header and the footer message, provide the messages there, and it will start displaying. Then we have the stop keyword. So when the user do not want to get the replies from the AI agent, they can send this message or the keyword and my AI agent will stop replying. So if I toggle this on and enter a keyword and press enter, in this manner I have added the stop keyword. You can add as many as keywords as you want. Then we have this retry attempt. So when the AI agent fails to respond, the API is not responding, the query is not resolved, the number of attempts given then to reply to the query is this retry attempt. The value range is 1 to 10. Then we have this fallback message. When the AI agent is not able to resolve the queries, when the API stop responding, this fallback message will be sent. What you can also do, you can add your company details or the contact information so that whenever the query is not resolved, at least the details are sent and they can contact you directly. Moving on towards the next part, which is this knowledge source. So I've selected it as upload file. If I click on this cloud and I select the file which I've already created and downloaded, I simply have to click on this open, and in this manner I have uploaded this. Now if I open the document which I've created, you can see that I've created this in Google document. I have the company overview, mission and positioning, meal plan categories, then the nutrition logic, sample daily menu structure, pricing structure, delivery and operation, payment terms, subscription and the renewal policy, FAQ section, WhatsApp AI conversation logic. I have created a detailed knowledge base, and you can also create a detailed knowledge base providing the knowledge of your product, services or your business, and based on that knowledge itself, whatever you are providing the knowledge here, your AI agent is going to use that knowledge and reply to your customers. So you have to create a very detailed knowledge base, download this knowledge base in .txt or .pdf format, and then you have to upload it just in the manner I had done that. Now over here, if your PDF has images, the limit is up to 10 pages only. Moving on towards the next part, which is this assistant interface. So over here you can change the heading name. You can see it has changed over here. If you want to keep the subheading, you can keep it. If you want to remove, you can do that. Then we have the initial messages. So you can add 2 initial messages. I have added only 1 initial messages. You can add this according to your choice and preference, and using that initial message, your AI agent is going to reply to the users. Then over here I've kept this powered by Pabbly enable. You can also disable this and it will be removed. From here I'm going to keep it enabled. Then we have this footer text where I've added the privacy policy, and in the footer link I have added the link to privacy policy. Then we have this user first message where I've added I need help. So you can send this message and your AI agent is going to reply, but it is not necessary that only if this message is sent, your AI agent is going to reply based on any message received by this AI agent. Like we have also sent the query, it has sent the reply to me. So it is not necessary whatever message we write in this user first message, only then the AI agent is replying. Then we have this final part as styling. So here I have selected the theme mode as light. You can select it as dark also. Then we have this assistant shape where you can select the circle, square and rounded square. Then we have this background color, text color, button color, chat bubble text color. You can set this according to your choice and preference. I'm going to keep it as default only. We have this header profile picture, assistant profile picture and the background picture. Just in the manner we have uploaded the knowledge base, you can upload that. And after doing all this, you simply have to toggle on this button and save this AI assistant. So AI assistant saved successfully. You can also embed this AI assistant using this code to your website, and whenever someone click on that, they will be redirected towards this WhatsApp conversation. Now on the left hand side we have this inbox. I'm going to open this inbox in a new tab, and I'm going to show you how you can assign this AI assistant to a particular chat, to a particular group and to all the contacts. So here, this is my chat. I simply have to toggle on this button and choose the AI assistant and save this. In this manner, I have assigned this AI assistant to this particular chat. But doing this manually and to particular chats is very time consuming and illogical. So that's why what we can do, we can assign this AI assistant to a particular group and to all the contacts. For that, on the left hand side, we have this option of settings. I'm going to open this inbox settings in a new tab. Here I've landed towards this inbox settings. If I scroll down, I have this option of AI auto reply settings. So I've kept this enable AI auto replies on. It is necessary that we keep this toggle on, and then we have to select the list. I have not created any list here. You can create the list and select that list and simply assign the AI assistant to that particular list. You can add more rules, select another list and select another AI assistant to that particular list. You can add more rules, select all the contacts and select another AI assistant to all the contacts. Simply save this in this manner. You can assign different AI agents to different contacts or to all the contacts. So here in this video, we have learned how we can create a WhatsApp chatbot, how we can guide this AI agent to reply in a particular manner, how we can assign this AI assistant to a particular chat, to a particular group or to all the contacts. Now, if you have any doubt, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbots. And before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching.
Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.